Got a box of 2012 Momentum here. My boy Cali West. Good luck to you. See what this will bring us. 10 hits. I hope they're good. Good luck, man. It's been a while since I did Momentum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good luck, Cali West. I don't remember how these are laid out, so I think it's 3 cards a pack, 10 packs, hit per box. Here you go. Good luck, man. You got a Ryan Matthews, Crabtree. First hit of 10 for the Saints. Oh, straight out the box. Got you a Nick Toon. Little 3-piece. Rookie auto. Tunage. Number 240 of 599. 240 of 599. Pack 2. Nick Toon, I hope so, man. I'm sure there's a lot of people out there collecting Nick Toon. I don't think he even played a snap last year. He was on the Saints, though. Jay Cutler, Percy. Next hit is for the Jets. Oh, you got 2, man. Usually only see like 1 of those in a box. Stephen Hill for the Jets. This looks like some platinum color on there. This is patches too, by the way. Looks like mainly 1 color with a little stitch over on the side. It's going to be 16 of 25 on your Stephen Hill. Doesn't want to focus on the black. There we go. 16 of 25. Got 2 rookie auto 3 pieces. Only 2 packs in. It's pretty good. It's a good start. Yeah, Nick Toon's got a lot of upside, man, on the Saints. I mean, high-powered offense. I think they lost. Did they lose Lance Moore? I hope they lost Lance Moore. Being a Bucks fan, they need as few weapons as they can get. Michael Turner, Cam, hit 3. Oh, there you go. For the Chiefs, got you a Cyrus Gray auto. 151 of 299. Cyrus Gray. Mike Williams, that's the real Mike Williams. DMC. Ooh, nice little Broyles patch there, 4 color. It's actually one of the nicest patches I've ever seen for Momentum. Nice. 11 of 25 prime. Off to a good start, man. It's 11 of 25. I think we're on pack 5, I think. I don't know. Anybody know how many autos are in a box of this? I want to say 3, but 3 guaranteed, but I think they vary. It's been a long time since I've done Momentum. It was like throwback when I ordered some old stuff. Darren Sproles, Joe Flacco. Oh, little Brett Favre. 1 color. Is that what you look like? Is that the stance you make when you throw the football? Favre is 5 of 199. Favre game used. 5 to go. Backer Bob got from NC. Got him a Brett Favre in the Packers uniform the other day. That was pretty nasty. Mark Sanchez, yeah. Sean Green, yeah. Harrison Smith, oh, that's a good one. For the Vikings, Harrison Smith, rookie auto. Dude's a bit of a beast. 139 of 799. Admit it. What is the I always admit it. What does the skull mean? I never knew what that meant. Skull Vikings. What does that mean? I meaning to ask. Peyton Manning, base. Charles Woodson. Chris Givens, head of the class. Rookie jersey. 137 of 249. Viking Chan. It's in the theme song. Okay, okay. We got three packs to go, including this one. We got an AJ Green and a LeGarrette Blount on the base, and Lamar Miller, a little onesie, one color white, 310 of 375. Lamar Miller. 2 to go. MPN, what's next to the boxes of Exquisite? That is 2011 Prominence. 2012 Prominence, excuse me. Gonna open one of those shortly and shipping one of those off shortly as well. Peyton Hillis, Chris Johnson. Ooh, Jerome Bettis for the Rams. It's kind of cool. Jerome Bettis, one piece, 133 of 199. And you got 1 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 pack to go. Cali West, good luck to you. Ben Jarvis, Michael Vick, final hit, it's a Dolphin, and it's not Michael Agnew. You got Jeff Fuller, rookie auto for the Dolphins. Another short print though, 2 of 25 on the Jeff Fuller. Alright, so not too bad, man. It's better than the box I opened for Packer Bob, myself, and Rob. So anyway, thanks, man. Appreciate it.